A cryptocurrency called Fartcoin hit a $1 billion market cap. Yes, that's real. Yes, people made millions. No, I'm not kidding. I spent the last week analyzing the on-chain data, the tokenomics, the wallet distribution, and the viral mechanics behind this phenomenon. And what I found is both fascinating and terrifying. Look, I know what you're thinking. This is stupid. This is peak bubble. This can't be real. But here's the thing. Fartcoin has 160,000 holders. It's processing over 200 million in daily volume. People are making and losing real money on this every single day. So whether you think it's brilliant or insane, it's worth understanding. Because the pattern here is repeating. And if you can see it, you can spot the next one. But before we get into the numbers, you need to know how this started. Because here's what makes Fartcoin different from every other meme coin. October 2024, an AI bot called Truth Terminal was exploring internet culture and meme trends. It wasn't trying to create a cryptocurrency, it was just making fart jokes. But someone in the Solana community saw it, and they thought, what if we turn this into a coin? Remember, Solana had just recovered from the FTX collapse. The ecosystem was rebuilding. Meme coins like Bonk and Dog with Hat were bringing retail traders back. So, in October, Fartcoin launched. Fair launch, no pre-sale, no VC allocation, just a token contract, a website with fart jokes, and a community that called themselves the Fart Army. The pitch was simple. 100% community powered, zero utility, maximum virality. And then it went viral, fast. Twitter was flooded with Fartcoin memes, TikTok challenges using fart sounds got millions of views. Reddit threads in our cryptocurrency started tracking it daily. Within 2 weeks, $50 million market cap. By November, $300 million market cap. Peak in December, over $1 billion. It became the second largest meme coin on Solana, trading alongside projects that had been building for years. Now, wait until you see who's actually behind this. Because when I checked the wallet distribution, let me show you the on-chain data. Top 10 wallets hold approximately 15-20% of the supply. That's actually not terrible for a meme coin. I've seen way worse. But here's what's concerning. When Truth Terminal's creator wallet sold holdings in November, the price dropped 30% in one day. This is the reality of meme coins. Concentrated holdings mean one person can tank your investment with a single transaction. Now this is where things get really interesting. Check out these numbers. Let's break down the tokenomics, and I am going to show you why this matters. Total supply, 1 billion tokens total. That's it, no more can be created. Circulating supply, 999.99 million in circulation. Essentially everything is already out there. No unlocks, no vesting, no inflation. Compare that to projects with 10-20% circulating and massive unlocks coming. Fartcoin's supply is completely transparent. Distribution, 160,000 holders. As of this analysis, that's actual wallet addresses holding the token. For context, that's more holders than many legitimate DeFi projects. The distribution curve shows organic growth, not bot farming. Liquidity, 12.86 million in liquidity pools on Radium, Solana's main DEX. That's enough to support millions in daily volume without massive slippage. Real liquidity, not fake. Volume, at peak, $228 million in 24-hour trading volume. Currently fluctuating between 50 and 150 million daily. Here's why this matters. Volume means real activity, real traders, real money changing hands. This isn't a dead coin being pumped by bots. So we have the data. Now here's the part nobody's talking about. Is Fartcoin overhyped? Absolutely. Is it a scam? No. Let me explain the difference. Why it's overhyped? 1. Zero utility, it literally does nothing. No staking, no DeFi, no NFTs, no roadmap. It's a ticker symbol and a meme. 2. It's riding pure narrative. The second fart jokes aren't fun anymore, and that could be tomorrow. This has nothing to fall back on. 3. Historical precedent. 90% of meme coins from past cycles are down 95-99% from their peaks. Most are dead. Why is not a scam? 1. Fair launch, no pre-sale, no team allocation. No rug pull contracts. The liquidity is there, the holders are real. 2. It never promised utility. Unlike projects that promise the world and deliver nothing, Fartcoin said from day one, this is a joke. That's honest. 3. The community is organic. These aren't paid shills. These are real people who found it funny and took a risk. Let's compare this to other meme coins, because if you understand the pattern, you can spot opportunities. Dogecoin started as a joke in 2013, had Elon Musk backing, survived multiple cycles. Peak market cap 88 billion. Fartcoin similarity, joke origin, community driven, key difference, no billionaire backing. Way smaller scale. Shiba Inu launched in 2020, rode the 21 meme coin mania, peak 41 billion. Down 90% from peak now. Fartcoin similarity, fair launch, viral marketing. Key difference, Shiba tried to build ecosystem, Fartcoin doesn't pretend. Bonk launched late 2022 on Solana, peak $3 billion. Still active, airdrop to Solana community, built loyal following. Fartcoin similarity, Solana native, community focus. Key difference, Bonk has some DeFi integrations, Fartcoin has zero. The pattern, short-term explosive growth followed by 70-95% corrections. Some survive, Doge, Bonk, most don't. So should you buy Fartcoin? Well, that depends on which scenario plays out. Let me give you 3 scenarios. I'm not saying which will happen, I'm showing you the possibilities. Bullish scenario, meme supercycle. If we are entering a meme coin supercycle, which many analysts think we are, Fartcoin could ride that wave. Scenario, Solana ecosystem continues growing, retail FOMO intensifies, Fartcoin gets listed on Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, price target to $5 per token, market cap to 5 billion. Probability maybe 20-30% in a true bull market. More likely, Fartcoin stabilizes at a lower level, maintains a loyal community, trades between 50 cents, $1.50. It becomes one of many Solana meme coins that doesn't die but doesn't moon. $500 million to $1 billion market cap range. Probability 40-50% if market stays relatively healthy. Paid and dump. Worst case, the narrative fades. Whales dump, volume dries up. Price crashes 90-99%. Sub 10 cents prices, market cap under 100 million. Most holders lose everything. Probability 30-40%, especially if broader crypto market corrects. But the real question isn't whether Fartcoin survives. It's what this reveals about crypto in 2025. Here's what Fartcoin actually represents. In crypto, maybe in all investing, attention is the most valuable asset. Fartcoin captured attention. That's worth billions, apparently. The narrative cycle. We're in the phase where fundamentals don't matter. Story matters. Memes matter. Community matters. This phase always happens in bull markets. The democratization of speculation. Anyone with $50 and a Solana wallet can participate. No accredited investor requirements, no minimum buy-ins. That's powerful, but dangerous. Fartcoin isn't an anomaly, it's a signal. It tells us we're in risk-on mode. When people are buying fart jokes for $1 billion, the market has confidence. Maybe too much confidence. So what's the lesson here? A few things. 1. Understand the game you're playing. If you buy Fartcoin, you're not investing, you're speculating on virality. Know the difference. 2. Risk management is everything. Only put in money you can afford to lose, completely. Because with meme coins, completely is the likely outcome. 3. The pattern repeats. Every cycle has meme coins, some 100x, most go to zero. If you want to play, learn to spot them early and exit with profits. Full disclosure, I do not hold Fartcoin. This is not financial advice. This is analysis for educational purposes. Whether Fartcoin goes to $10 or zero, it taught us something valuable about this market. Attention drives value, narrative drives price, and sometimes a fart joke is worth $1 billion. If you want to catch the next Fartcoin before it explodes, you need to know what to look for. I'm tracking the Solana ecosystem, analyzing on-chain data, and breaking down these opportunities as they emerge. Fartcoin might be a joke, but the money people made from it isn't. The next meme coin supercycle is coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it.